Now, I do have some very interesting news and some very good news involving the Ramos and Compean case. Some of y'all may know this and some of y'all may not, so I'll share it with you. There's certainly a struggle going on to free these individuals, and y'all are a large part of that struggle. With a new appointment of a new Attorney General, this Attorney General has agreed to look into the case. Not necessarily reopen it, but to look into it. But on November 15th, 2 days ago, a major development happened on the International Bridge between El Paso, Texas and Mexico. The drug smuggler who was shot in the behind was arrested on that bridge. He is now charged with the smuggling of more than 750 pounds of marijuana into the United States. The interesting factor of this is not a new case. This is what we know in the movement as load number 2. The load, not the load that Ramos and Compean apprehended him for, but the load that he brought in some 4.5 months later into El Paso while he was under an immunity deal with the United States government. It's that load that they have now arrested him for. We have reasons to believe that that was not the only load. For if you, a gentleman, had been smuggling drugs since he was 15 years old, if he was given a get-out-of-jail-free card by Johnny Sutton, rest assured he smuggled more than the second load. This other is just my personal belief that the reason they are prosecuting him for the second load is that this new Attorney General's investigation could reveal the truth, that many loads were snuck in with the get-out-of-jail-free card. So that particular thing, load number 2, the load that Johnny Sutton's men testified in federal court never happened, obviously happened. So this may grant some credence to the possibility that Ramos and Compean will be granted a new trial because of the testimony in the first trial stated this case, this load never happened. It is clear now under a federal indictment of this individual that the load did take place. So we can pray that that will lead to their possibly release, or at least a new trial. I am totally convinced should they get back before another jury, they would never be convicted. So keep those individuals in your prayers and your thoughts, for they are literally political prisoners. They are in jail today for no other reason but the promotion of a political agenda.